Welcome, friends! Today we visit a real space station. Wow, Pip, the rocket is so big! Let's blast off together! Tia, we're above the clouds! Yes, Milo, we're flying into space. Our adventure has just begun.
Look, that's the space station.
Wow, Milo, it's huge!
Let's go inside.
Welcome to the real space station!
Tia, I'm floating.
That's microgravity, Milo. Whoa! I'm spinning!
Haha, Pip. Hold the rail.
Astronauts use handrails to move safely.
Look outside, everyone! Wow! Earth looks blue! It's so beautiful! Lumi, why is Earth so blue? Most of Earth is covered by oceans. The white clouds make it even more beautiful. Milo, look! A satellite!
Wow, it's flying around Earth.
Satellites help us communicate and learn about our planet.
Every sunrise is special from space. Let's help keep Earth clean. We all share one amazing home.
Welcome to the Space Kitchen.
Pip, the food is floating. Haha, catch it before it floats away. Got it, Milo.
Great catch, Pip.
Astronauts eat special space food. Look, a floating water drop.
It's perfectly round.
Microgravity makes water form tiny floating balls.
Welcome to the sleeping area. Pip, where are the beds? Wow! They sleep on the wall! Sleeping bags keep astronauts safe. I'm floating while resting! You look comfy! Good rest helps astronauts stay healthy. Ready for our next discovery? Yes! Let's explore the science lab!
Welcome to the Space Science Lab. Tia, look! The water is floating. Scientists study it in microgravity. Milo, it's like a tiny crystal ball. Let's watch carefully, Pip.
Science is so much fun.
Astronauts learn new things every day.
Pip, let's keep exploring.
Our next adventure is waiting!
Great job, everyone! Our mission is complete.
Tia, we learned so much today!
Learning together makes every adventure special. Lumi, what's that blinking light?
Our scanner found a signal near the moon.
Let's discover it next time. Thanks for exploring with us.
See you on our next adventure!
Bye, friends.